Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this really cool typography effect you see in the thumbnail. So let's jump right into it.
Right, so grab your type tool and write your letter or your number or draw whatever you want, whatever it is you want to draw. I'm going to make a K. I'll make it white. You can make it whatever color you want. I'm then going to swap the fill and the stroke, and I'm going to go to type, create outlines. Right. Now I'm going to cut it into 3 different sections. So this is going to be the first one, second one, and third one. So this needs to be one line, and this the second. Every section has to have a top line and a bottom line. So this will have 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So let's grab our scissors tool and we will cut our path once over here, over here at this corner, at this other corner. We'll then cut it at probably this corner over here as well. And now I'll cut it once over here and once here at the top. It'll all make sense later, I promise. It might seem confusing now, but it'll make sense later. Now you want to select everything. You want to ungroup and then make sure it's not a compound path anymore, so release it. And as you see, you don't have to ungroup anymore, so that's good. We're now going to connect these 2 lines. So we're going to grab our direct selection tool, which is this white little arrow, and we're going to click once over here and here. And we're going to go to Object, Path, Join. So these 2 are together right now. We'll make this line straight. Right, and now we can start. So we should have this block divided into 2 separate lines. We have this line over here and this line over here. We're going to select both of them and we're going to go to Object, Blend, Make. Then Object, Blend, Blend Options, and we can increase or lessen the steps you want. You can decide, this is up to you. I'm going to go with something like this. I feel looks really cool. Then over here is we're going to do the same thing. So we have 2 separate paths. We're going to select both and go to Object, Blend, Make, and then to Blend Options. And we're going to add some here as well, like this. Same with this other side. And that's it. It's such an easy and cool effect you can do in just like 2 minutes. Also, another cool thing you can do, if you double click again on one of the lines, you can add or lessen the stroke points. So you can make one side really thin and the other side really fat, so you get this gradient kind of look, which is even cooler. And that's it.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.